What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font pairings in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your Canva design and then select the text box you want to edit. At the top toolbar, click the current font name to open the font menu, and then browse through Canva's font combinations or search for a font that you would like to use. Choose a heading font and also pair it with a complementary body font for a balanced design. You can also adjust the font size, weight, spacing, alignment, and so on, and then apply to all pages at the bottom. This will automatically apply the same font across your design for a more polished appearance. And that's how you change font pairings in Canva.